boats on boats on boats. So that's not normally our jam, but you gotta try it once, right?
Oh, I can't believe I did that with the drone.
Hanging out with us. That's all it's about. Just come hang out with us.
What's going on? How are you doing today? It's Friday and it's payday. Kim and I, we took the day off again. Our goal is to take one day off each month during the boating season. Now, we took a day off just last month. Was it last month? Yeah, it was in March. So we took a day off in March. I'll put a link in the description over here somewhere so you guys can check out that video. Last week, we went out to Tiki Docks. We did a dock and dine review. I'll put that video in the description as well. Put a link over here somewhere. Check that out. That's where we went. We went to Tiki Docks in Riverview, Florida. Decided we're gonna rate the docking experience as well as the dining experience. So check that out. Awesome time. So today it's super flat. This is gonna be like the Lake of Mexico today. We're still in the bay, but it is super flat. Let me just show you guys real quick.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. We are out here on the bay doing it again. Jason and I made a commitment to take off one day a month to come out on the boat, just to kind of get away from work and make time for each other. So here we are. It's Friday. It's gorgeous. It's like a lake out here, and we're gonna get it. Like, really, the whole point of this channel is to share our love for being out on the water with all of you. So if you're hanging out with us, we really appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, thank you so much for watching. Do the YouTube things. You know all the things. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, blah, blah, blah. If you are a repeat customer, we really, really want to thank you for watching and hanging out with us. That's all it's about. Just come hang out with us.
Exactly.
Love it.
She's 100% right. That's why we do this. We just want to show you that, hey, you guys can get a boat if you don't have one. You've got that PTO, or you've got that time off, or call in sick, do whatever. You know, just take that day off. Life is just too short to be working like a dog. So that's enough yapping. We're gonna bring you with us. We're gonna show you what it's like today. Like I said, it's Friday, it's payday. Let's get to it. So we are at our destination. We are pretty close to where we anchored on that one Friday. Last time we took off of work, which was right over here. I'm gonna show it to you. So I know you can see that sign that was in the distance. That's about where we were at. And that's where we kind of explored through the back there, went through that like smelly area with the warm water. So we're over here kind of on the south side of Bunces. Nice little day. We're loving this here Friday crew. Friday crew is always calm and polite. Not really super busy. There's some boats down there at Bunces. We're gonna relax here for a little bit, and then we're gonna walk down to Bunces. I'm gonna bring you with us, so that way you can see Bunces for yourself. It's a popular boating spot here in the Tampa Bay. On the weekends, that place is packed.
It's like a sandbar. It's very popular. Like, it's like boats on boats on boats. So that's not normally our jam, but gotta try it once, right? Gotta try it once.
Yeah, she's right. Try it once. So talk to you in a bit. Yeah, we definitely like this Friday crew. The Friday crew is where it's at. Now, I can see off in the distance, I can see the hot dog boat, and there's the Shell Key Ferry. Let me show you guys. I don't think you'll be able to see it. It's pretty far back. Hot dog guy, he's coming. That's that hot dog boat.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe.
That's all right. The drone.
It'll dry out, but I think...
I crashed the drone into the water, so hopefully not. You know, I don't want to have to. Yeah.
You know what? You may even want to go give it a fresh rinse right now.
Yeah, I don't know if it's waterproof or not. I don't want to make it any worse. So the drone went up, it hit something and just flopped into the water. So I'm hoping, I dove in there and got it really quick. So hopefully I took the battery out. We're gonna let her dry for a little bit, and then see what's up. So
it was not in the water long.
No, it wasn't in there long. It wasn't in there long, but it could be long enough. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take you to the Bunces here. How's it feel?
Pretty warm.
Let's see. It's getting there. It's nice. Oh, see, we can get our boat back in here. What's it say? There's a sign over there. Swim zone or something.
Probably like how Banana Hammock is, like you have to walk because the parking lot's down by all those people, right?
Yep.
So if you want to be out here, you gotta hike.
Yeah, you're right. You got some people over there, so it'd be a far walk over there.
Yeah. Kind of like Banana Hammock, right?
Yep. So
flying a kite over there.
Yeah, it's worth it though. You know, it's really worth it. You just gotta put a little effort in. And you get over here. This is cool. All right, so he's got the I hear a dog back there. He's got the looks like one power pole. Yeah, this is cool.
Ooh, little birdie dove.
So over there,
he dropped his fish.
Oh,
he had a fish and he dropped it. But over there.
Yeah, because over there, I guess you can get to it over there. I was saying because we would have to like walk through that area there because it's. All right, so he's fishing over there. This is cool.
Yeah.
The water's really clear. Temperature feels good. It's got to be, I would say upper 70s. It feels good.
I was gonna say 80.
Yeah, well, you could be right. You could definitely be right. It does feel good. But this place is jam-packed on the weekends.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to come here on the weekend.
No.
It's too busy. And if you did get up in here, then you're going to be blocked in. How are you going to get out?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, because there'd be like too many boats. You wouldn't be able to really get out. It'd be kind of difficult. But this is cool. But I mean, look. I mean, this is really nice. The water's clear. You got the sand. So Bunces, so who knows? Maybe we'll come anchor over here sometime. It's not bad right now.
On a Friday, maybe.
Yeah, like on a Friday. I mean, no one's playing like any loud music, but I'm sure.
Yeah, nobody's playing music.
Yeah.
So when we pass through here on the weekend, it looks cray-cray.
It does.
So.
But we're gonna do that one of these times. We're gonna come here. We'll get here early, and then at least we can come up in here somewhere.
Yeah.
And then we'll anchor here, and we'll just be a part of it, just to try it.
Yeah. This would be the place to come if you were on jet skis, though, right? Because you could just beach it and then.
Oh yeah.
partying here. Yeah.
Well, yeah, we'll come here. We'll throw down a couple anchors, and we'll try it. Yeah, he's pulling. He's pulling up the anchor. Maybe they're leaving. All right, so you got some people leaving. There's our Starcraft deck boat.
Look at that boat. They look like they know what they're doing. With the chairs on the front.
Obviously they do. I mean, because they're putting the chairs up there. They obviously know what they're doing. All right, so those people, they're leaving. It's not super busy, but get out on the water on a Friday. Get out during the week. Get out on a Monday, or maybe even like in the middle of the week.
I don't think I can reach it. I think it's gonna be above my head, isn't it?
Maybe. You want me to pull her around?
Yeah, thank you.
Oh, this VIP service here.
It'd be nice if there was an anchor locker in the back, like the front, and then you could just throw it out.
Yeah, there's that little cooler thing. It's just kind of stupid.
What is that? Oh, it's a... All right.
All right, there you go.
Thank you, Noah.
Yes. Yeah. All right, let's try it. How's the lighting? Can you see all right? Let's see. Oh, it's not coming on. Shit. How could it just get like wet for a second and then... You gotta be kidding me.
This might be an advertisement for getting the protection, right? Because I mean, we're by the water.
Yeah.
You know, you fly that thing by the water.
Yeah.
This could happen again. It could happen.
Yeah, absolutely.
So they have like a what is it? DGI
care. Yeah, the DGI care.
They have like an insurance plan.
No, damn, that just sucks.
We'll just you know.
Yeah,
We'll give it some time.
Yep, we'll get some time. Let's leave these let them out and put them over here. Give it some time, let them dry.